What's up, everybody? Double A here again. Today I bring you a bulk box. This is my first bulk box, and this is supposed to have toys and other maybe baby items and such in here. So let's crack this one open and we'll see what's in there. While he's opening this, guys, I paid 67 bucks total, including shipping and everything for this box. Supposedly the items worth in this box are 350 bucks. So not the biggest haul, but you know, we'll see.
If you want to go on a budget like we do for liquidation, this is like the perfect thing to do.
Yeah, I agree. If you don't have a lot of money, if you just want to start small and maybe get a couple of boxes or something like that.
Yeah, it's actually a great way to start off.
Yeah.
Because you can make some good money off this stuff.
Okay, let's see.
If you play smart.
Wow, they've really packaged this box up.
Yes, I mean it's cool because it's bulk.
And they ship fast, man. We got this in like 2 days. By the way, their standard shipping charge is 30 bucks for boxes and 200 for pallets. And if you're in the area, of course, you can pick it up, and I'm not, unfortunately, so.
Alright, this is actually pretty cool. Let's do the first one, because I mean, okay, I love puzzles, and this is really cool. I love puzzles. It's marine color. It's really cool.
Oh,
I love puzzles.
1,000-piece marine color.
Hopefully.
You know, if we don't sell this, you can probably keep that, use it for your own purposes.
I'm down for that.
Yeah.
What's this?
What is that? There you go. Something you really like there, buddy.
I think this is for you.
No, I think it's more your style.
No, that's yours.
There you go. It's a Cool Maker Kumi Creator. Oh, it's a braid maker. Like braids beautiful bracelets. Sorry, it's a bracelet maker. There you go. I got tongue twisted there for a second.
Braided bracelets.
Yeah.
And then
there you go.
Next product is hexagon bulletin tiles.
Yeah, so
this is great for college.
Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah,
this is really good for college.
Yeah. So the previous item, it said the regular price was $29.99. Judging by the box, it was probably an open box return. So maybe about $15, maybe $5 for the puzzle and $5 for the last item you saw there. What
Next item is Greedy Granny. This is great for my dad. Greedy Granny.
Yeah, it looks like there's stuff in it. Let's crack this open and see what's actually making the noise.
By her teeth.
I would venture to agree with you on that one. Let's see. All right, here's Granny.
What the heck?
There you go.
Wow, that's so creepy for a kid.
And then there's
her eyes closed
look at
too.
that.
What the?
And there's the bottom part of Granny. Check that out. And then check that out, guys. Look at that, all the little pieces in there. So, Greedy Granny, will you risk it for a biscuit? Granny loves treats and she wants to keep them all for herself. Well,
I bet you.
This is interesting.
I bet you some family, this kid had this, and he started playing with it like this and got so scared of it they just returned it.
Yeah, this might be $5.
All right, next item. Eekies.
Eekies.
For the Yankees.
Boo.
My mom would like this.
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's pretty cool. It's just really weird.
Yeah, what is this? It's a resin it's a figurine.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, it's a neat figurine, but I don't know. I mean, not my style, but I'm sure a lot of people will like this. Maybe about $5 to $10 on this. Not bad.
I've heard this game a lot. It's called What's That Smell? It's like a brand new game. I don't know.
It's kind of like what you say when you get to your room. What's that smell?
I think that's your room. What are you talking about? Let's see if everything's in there. I can't tell if everything's in there. It looks like the person.
We have pieces.
Yeah, I know.
We have pieces falling out.
Yeah, they used some of it. It smells horrible.
Oh my god! I don't know if we can sell this, guys. Maybe. Well.
Oh, that's horrible.
Check that out. The party game that stinks.
And already stinks.
Yes, it does. You can't smell that on camera, but I wish you could.
What is this?
Simply Art craft sticks. It's actually quite heavy. I'm not even sure if we're going to be able to ship this or if anybody's gonna buy this online. But you know, it's one of those things you can, you know, get crafty with and build a house. There you go. 1,000 pieces. Wow.
Here's some envelopes. It's not bad. It's a cool box. I'm not gonna lie. But I mean,
there you go. So we got, what is in these? Are like, these are on clearance. 50 count cards and envelopes.
how much?
Yeah, it's a $1 item.
All right, here is these for dolls. I don't even know what they are.
No idea.
I don't know what these are. My little sister would know. But
Yeah, maybe. Our generation attached at the clip. Oh, it's like little hair thingies you put on dolls. There you go. It's like $5.
well, to go with that, this is kind of creepy. Here's a doll.
We have a doll with a book.
Yeah, it's a clothes.
What is this?
That's creepy. Oh, you can touch that. I don't want to touch that.
Let's see here. Does it talk?
I don't know. I don't want to touch that. I don't even want to hear that talk, bro.
There you go. You guys want a doll? Hit me up. Got one for you for cheap. I'll update you guys on the prices and the profit in this video because I'm not used to getting toy boxes. I'm used to getting electronics. I have no idea what half of this stuff is worth, but it's worth a shot, that's for sure.
Here's a Wonder Woman.
Oh yeah, that's
Small
cool.
little
Brand new.
plush. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably $5. Not bad.
This
Not bad.
box has been destroyed, but these
Oh
are
my goodness.
Beyblades, and I used to use these all the time when I was a kid. I
Yeah.
still have probably like 30 of them. I don't know what they are.
Do people still buy these?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I see people play with them all the time.
Yeah, but yeah, like, look at that box.
Yeah, it's destroyed.
Yeah, so maybe
Speaking of
$3.
destroyed boxes, this box was kind of destroyed up top. They took the toy out and put it back in.
What is this?
It's a little like set for kids, like trucks and stuff. Little toy cars.
Oh,
For-
VTech.
Yeah.
Yeah, car toy.
Oh, here's
$5 to $10 on this.
Yeah, I guess. This next item, I used to have these when I was a kid. Mighty Beans.
Oh,
I don't know
that's
if this is
cool.
open, but like this is like a ramp thing for it. That's really cool.
Let's see.
Here's the back of it.
Shake it, see if it's open. Probably not.
I don't know, because like you're gonna hear the Mighty Beans, like the little marbles and stuff.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's
What do you think this is worth? Like 10, 15 bucks?
That's a good question. I don't even know how much those were worth back then, because I didn't really want to buy one of those.
Yeah. Oh, look what we have here.
The bag is kind of messed up, but I mean, it doesn't look like they took it out.
No.
Cards Against Humanity. That's
And it's like the big box.
yeah, that's a party game for horrible people. That's perfect. I love that game.
Yeah, actually, yeah. It says regular price $25. We can probably sell this for like 15 bucks online. Easy. Look at that.
You can put these away,
That's
too.
nice. All right, that's not a bad box. I mean, what do we have? Like 15 items or so in this?
Wait, we got the best item coming up.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Surprise appearance, guys.
Let's get this next item out. Oh, look.
Oh, look, it's Max. Hey, Max, say hello to the camera. Sorry, guys, he's old. He's almost 21, and you know he's struggling at the moment with his back legs, and you know we're hoping he can make it for a few more months to be 21, because that would be fantastic for him. And he's been around since '98, and I would really like it if he would be around for another few. I would love it for a year, but we'll see.
We would love for him to be 21 so he can be legal.
Yeah, that would be great. I'm sure he would love it. So thank you guys for watching this video. This was a lot of fun opening up the first toy box. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and wish Max well. And we will see you in the next video. Take care.